Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm exploring one of the New Zealand's most iconic landmarks, the panoramic. Situated in the heart of Hawke's Bay, which is known for breathtaking views and a rich history and natural beauty. First of all, I'm gonna show you some pictures. You can see that how wonderful view from the top. In Maori, it's known as Timata o Rangokako. This is must visiting destination those who are nature lovers and adventure seekers. The peak stands at 399-meter height. Surrounding area holds deep cultural significance for the local Maori people. If you want to travel there is no public transport to reach that place. You need to have your own transport. And once you reach on the top, there will be plenty of parking available. So we don't need to worry about the parking. That's gonna be free parking. Hiking on Timata Peak is a wonderful experience. Trail to summit is relatively accessible and that gives you breathtaking views from the top. If you're a bicycle lover and if you wanna looking for the bicycle trail, Timata Peak is one of the best place for that because it got many bicycle trails and you would love to ride your bicycle over there. If you are looking for a peaceful retreat in nature, Timata Peak is a right place, and this is a magical place to visit anytime. especially to watch sunrise and sunset. When you're going up and going down, you need to be driving very careful because roads are very small and the passing two vehicle at the same time it's difficult. But the view while driving on the road is amazing and it's fun if you drive it carefully. Guys, you also need to make sure about the gate timings. They usually open at 5:30 a.m. and they closest at 10:30 p.m. If you're living at the Hastings, it's gonna take to reach there 20 minutes because it's almost 18 kilometers from there. And if you're leaving at Napier, it's gonna take half an hour. It's almost 28 kilometers from there. In my case, I am living in Napier, so it took me 30 minutes to reach there. I've been here too many times. I have seen sunset, sunrise, and I did trekking as well. So it's a beautiful place to visit. If you are living in Hawke's Bay, you shouldn't be forgetting this place to visit. Guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comments. I'm shortly reaching to my place where I am living. That's Napier. Now, this is the evening time. This amazing view. Thank you for watching.